Do you want to make this? Waves inside text. Hey, stop. First, you need to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. You need to import the blank video. Now, from here, select the freeze icon and delete the remaining part from left and right. Adjust it and increase the length of the blank video. Now import the water waves into the timeline. From here, delete the extra part. Now from the starting, there is a zoom icon in a player. Select it and zoom out around 4 times. Now from here, turn off the uniform scale. Go to the adjustment. Now drag the luma line towards the left side. In this way, the color of the waves will be changed to white. Right click to create compound click. Move it aside. Go to the text. Add default text. Then write waves inside text. Change the font and then increase the scale. Scroll down and choose the style. I will choose the second one. Now change the color to green. Scroll down and reduce the thickness to around 13. Now increase the length of the text according to your blank video clip. Now select the blank video and text video together. Right click to create compound clip. Now move back the water wave clip from the start of the video and make the text clip above it. Now from the remove background, add chroma key. From the color picker, drag to select the color. Now select the water wave layer and drag it in a upward direction. In this way, the waves will be added into the text. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching.